everyone, welcome. My name is Sarah and this is a yoga flow for beginners. Let's go ahead and get started by sitting in any comfortable seat on your mat, maybe crossing your ankles over the other. Once you find your seat, lengthen from the base of your spine all the way to the tip of your crown. And roll your shoulders up, back and down. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Another deep breath in, another deep breath out. One more inhale, one more exhale. And then seal your lips and continue to breathe in and out through your nose. This is called your Ujjayi breath. And as you breathe in through your nose and out through your nose, allow any tension to release from your body. Focusing on the sensations of breathing here. Another deep breath in. Another deep breath out. If you find your mind wandering today during your practice, turn your awareness back to your breath. Breathing in. Out. Take one more inhale. One more exhale. And then start to flutter your eyes open. Take an inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Take hold of opposite elbows. Exhale as you side stretch to the right. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, side stretch to the left. Inhale, return to center. Uncross the arms, place the right fingertips behind you. Left hand goes on your right knee. Take an inhale, lengthen the spine. And exhale as you twist, gazing over the right shoulder. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Inhale, return back to center. Then place the left fingertips behind you. Right hand goes on your left knee. Inhale as you lengthen the spine. And exhale as you twist, gazing over the left shoulder. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. Inhale, return back to center, untwisting. And then swing your legs around you. Find your way into a tabletop position, keeping the knees directly beneath the hips, wrists directly beneath the shoulders. Then we'll do a few cat-cows to warm up the spine. So on the inhale, drop the belly, head comes up, cow. Exhale, round the spine, bring your chin to chest here. Take another inhale, dropping the belly, cow. Exhale, round the spine, bring your chin to chest here. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cow. Another inhale. Another exhale. Inhale, returning to a neutral spine. And then from here, bring the right arm out to the side. And then slide it underneath the left arm, dropping the right ear down to the mat. And extend the left hand out on the mat. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Another inhale. Another exhale. Breathe in again. And breathe out. And then start to return your left hand back down. And return yourself back to your tabletop. And then bring the left arm out to the side. Slide the left arm underneath the right. Drop the left ear down to the mat. Extend the right arm out. And take a full breath in. Full breath out. Another deep inhale. Another deep exhale. Breathe in again. And breathe out. And start to return your right hand back beneath your shoulder. Turning yourself back to your tabletop. And then from here, take Take an inhale as you lift your knees off the mat and send your hips back for your first downward facing dog. Press the palms away from you. Keep the ears in line with the shoulders. Draw the low belly in. Send the hips up high. And you can bend and straighten the legs to stretch out your calves and hamstrings. Breathing in. Breathing out. And find some stillness here with your legs. And step your right foot between your hands. Lower the left knee down to the mat. And take an inhale as you sweep the right arm up to the sky for a twist. Take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. And then lower your right hand back down to the mat. Inhale as you lift your chest up. Rising up. Reaching the arms overhead here for a low lunge. Take a full breath in, full breath out. Making sure the front knee is in line with the ankle. Another inhale. Another exhale. And then lower your hands back down to the mat. Tuck your left toes beneath you, step back into downward facing dog. Then take an inhale, step your left foot between your hands, lower the right knee down. And inhale, sweep the left arm up to the sky for a twist. Breathing in, breathing out. And then lower the left hand back down to the mat. Inhale, rising up, reaching the arms overhead for a low lunge. Full breath in, full breath out. Another inhale, another exhale. And lower your hands back down to the mat. Curl your right toes beneath you and step your left foot back, bringing yourself back to your downward facing dog. And take an inhale to shift forward into a high plank here. Then from here, lower down the knees, chest, chin to the mat. Look over the tops of your feet. And then take an inhale as you lift the chest up, drawing the elbows in towards your sides, keeping the shoulders away from your ears. The toes are planted down onto the mat. Take a full breath in, full breath out. Exhale, lower your forehead back down to the mat. And then tighten your fingertips out to the sides of your mat. Inhale, lifting the chest off the mat. Exhale, lower your forehead down. Inhale, lift your chest off the mat. Exhale, lower your head down. One more inhale. One more exhale. Then return your hands back beneath your shoulders. Curl your toes beneath you. Then push yourself up into a plank and send your hips back to your downward facing dog. And bend your knees and look between your hands. Step to the top of your mat. And take an inhale as you lengthen the spine. Place your hands onto your shins for a halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Bending the knees here, dropping the hands down, hinging at your hips. Take a full breath in, full breath out. Breathing in, breathing out. One more inhale. One more exhale. Inhale, slowly rise to standing, sweeping your arms overhead, gaze between your palms. Exhale, hands come down to your heart center. Take an inhale, sweeping your arms overhead. Exhale as you hinge at your hips to your forward fold. Inhale to your halfway lift. And then plant your hands, step back into plank. And lower down knees, chest, chin to the mat. Flip over the tops of your feet. And inhale to your cobra. Straighten out the arms now. Exhale to your downward facing dog. in, breathing out. Inhale, step the right foot between your hands. Lower the left knee down. Inhale, sweep the right arm up to the sky for a twist. Exhale, lower the right hand back down to the mat. Inhale, reach the arms overhead for a low lunge. Then interlace your fingers, flip your palms upwards. Take an exhale as you side stretch to the right. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, drop the hands down, step back into your downward facing dog. Then from here, take an inhale, step your left foot between your hands, drop the right knee down. Inhale as you sweep the left arm up to the sky for a twist. Breathing in, breathing out. Exhale, lower the left hand down. Inhale as you bring the arms overhead for your low lunge. Interlace your fingers, flip your palms upwards, and take an exhale as you side stretch to the left. Inhale, come back to center. Then lower your hands down to frame your foot. Step back into your downward facing dog. And bend your knees and look between your hands. Step to the top of your mat. Inhale to your halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Breathing in. Breathing out. Another inhale. Another exhale. And slowly start to bring your glutes down onto your heels. And then make your way to a seat on your mat. And bring your back down here. Drawing the heels in towards your glutes, pressing your palms down onto the mat. Pressing your feet down. Take an inhale as you lift the hips up for bridge pose. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Another inhale. Another exhale. And start to lower your hips back down to the mat. And extend the left leg down. Hug your right knee in towards your chest. Then use your left hand to guide the right knee over to the left side of your mat. And extend the right arm out to the side, gazing over the right fingertips. Take a full breath in, full breath out. Another inhale, another exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. And inhale as you untwist, returning your right knee back towards your chest. Then extend the right leg down. Hug your left knee in towards your body. Then use your right hand to guide the left knee over to the right side of your mat. Then extend the left arm out, gazing over the left fingertips. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Another inhale, another exhale, one more inhale, one more exhale. Take an inhale as you untwist, turning your left knee back in towards your chest, and then start to bring your left leg down, extending it, turning your toes out to the sides, and allowing your palms to face up towards the sky for your final resting pose, Shavasana. Relax your face, relax your jaw, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. And you can choose to stay here as long as you like, or you can end your practice here. Thank you for practicing with me today. Namaste.